Hey there, so we are going to now get into our skills practice of this week. And in this skills practice, I want you guys to go back and get the list that you all developed of your partners where you guys were together and you guys went through some of the scenarios and you figured out how you all had commonalities or similarities and how you guys were different. Now, Ms. E has explained in times before that this second step is better served when we are together in a classroom together so that we can do the entire lesson together. But because we are all in this virtual learning setting, some of these activities have to be adjusted so that we can make it make sense in this virtual setting. And this is one of those activities. So here, if you guys still have your list, you can put those partners back together and you can review that list and you can take that list and write down on the activity sheet that your teacher is going to put up on the screen, write down 3 similarities, 2 differences, and 1 thing to learn about each other. Or you guys could adapt it and pick different partners to do the activity together as you're doing the skills practice. Either way, I want you guys to connect with another person so that there is a group of 2 people, partners together. And I want you to be able to take the Lesson 8 activity sheet that is about accepting differences and connect with your partner to be able to write down 3 similarities, 2 differences, and 1 thing that you want to learn about the other person. So as we went forward with the activity with Olivia and Yasmin, we learned that there are differences and there are similarities between people. Getting to know someone better helps you to accept and appreciate those differences. Now think about something that you want to learn from your partner. Think about the ways that you are similar and the ways that you are different as well. Olivia wanted to learn more about Yasmin, and so she used her assertiveness to go to Yasmin and ask her about her designs, and then she learned more about the traditional designs from Iran. So go and have some time with your partner and write down on the activity sheet that your teacher is going to post up on the screen 3 similarities, 2 differences, and 1 thing that you want to learn. Remember, the more you know about someone, the more you can appreciate that person as an individual. Now, after you guys have finished your activity, if you have time, I want you to come back together and I want you to review your thoughts and feelings about the activity and what you learned about the similarities and differences in each other. And then 1 thing that you learned from your partner as well. I want you to write those down and come back and discuss those. So remember, the more you know about someone, the more you can appreciate that person as an individual, the more you take time to get to know one another and show each other empathy, show each other kindness, accept each other's differences, the more that you can appreciate and accept each other's differences and understand more about another person. So have fun with that activity, learn more about each other, and then have a great rest of your day.